Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. I'm so glad that you guys decided to check out today's video. Before we get into anything, let me just give a warm welcome to all the new people that decided to stop in and check out today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Please show me some support and give your girl a big thumbs up at the end of this video. Hit that bell notification so that you can stay alerted of new videos that are released. And also join us here and join this tulip nation. Yes, baby, you are a tulip. I am a tulip. They are a tulip. We all tulips. Join us. It's absolutely free. We would love you to be a part of this family. Without further ado, let's get into it. You know how it is when you get a fresh retightening. If you already have medium strands or thin strands, your hair tends to look really flat. So you want to juice it, okay? Give it a little bye boom, and you can do that with a headband. So I want to talk about these new headbands that I've gotten. And that's it. Let's just get into it. Okay. Isn't it cute? The packaging is like bam. So these headbands that I bought it from online. I believe the name of the brand is Ever Fairy. Yeah, you know, it's so cute. They are handmade, at least so it says on the packaging. And you get a lot of bang for your buck. I believe you get about 4 or 5 of these headbands. You get about 4 or 5 of these. And so actually I can turn it over to the back. So you have color selections that you can choose from. And I don't remember which one I went with. And so yeah, I thought they were so cute because they are so feminine. I thought that they would be perfect for the summer, spring or summer, because of just the colors that come with it. Of course, I could wear the darker colors in the fall and winter, but I really like the yellow that's in here. And then there's like a pinkish peachy type color that's here that really drew me to get it. These you can wash, just FYI, and it tells you that on the back that you should gently wash these. I typically wash my headbands anyway before I apply it to my hair because your girl just funny like that. I don't think it's a necessity, but I just do that. And FYI, do not apply no iron to these, okay? Let it air dry. Just throwing it out there. But I love how you can just go in, almost like a Ziploc bag, if you will, and pull it open. And then you can go right on in, and then you can pull out the band. One of the good things about this that I really love is that the headbands are individually wrapped. Look at that. They're individually wrapped. So I think that is uber cool. I would prefer that because I may decide that I only just want to rock one color for a while, because I can kind of match it up with pretty much everything that I wear before I would want to go in and open up a pink or yellow, because these are more so summer colors in my opinion, summer spring colors, versus the blue and blue are more so fall colors and winter colors. But you can wear these in the summer. You can wear all of these in the summer if you choose. So I really like that a lot. Also, it comes with like this little bitty cute card. This is so cute, right? It's just so feminine. It's so girly girl. I absolutely like it a lot. And then on the back of this, and it says nothing special. It just says Ever Fairy, totally handmade, do forever fashion fairy. And then here on the back, it kind of gives you some information regarding the washing situation. But again, I typically wash mine in a washer and dry it in a dryer. And I don't let it get fully dry in the dryer. I let it hang in completely dry. But just to get the drying process started. Now this bag stink. I'm gonna be honest with you, like the inside of this bag got like a musky smell. I don't like that. So see, this is why I wash anything before I put it on me. That's just what I do, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open one of these up. I'm not going to open up all of them. Just, well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead on and open all of them. So I want to go in there. As you can see, it's completely sealed. There's like a little line. I don't know if you can tell because of my camera. There's a little line, but it's completely sealed, so it hasn't been tampered with. Or you can just open it from the bottom here, like we did the main bag, and just kind of pull it open. There it is. Okay. Like so. And then we can go in and we can just pull it right on out. Boom. Now, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling the material. So this is the headband, and it's similar to the ones that I shared in a previous video, okay? But it has like the little knot here, which I got a thing for these little knots, okay? I don't know, just give the headband such an extra oomph. It is stretchy. So if you got a big old head, your head can fit in here because this is stretchy material. You can truly tell that this was handmade, just how the back is sewed. And there's just a little awkward piece that kind of hangs here, so it's not perfect. So it definitely seems as though it could have been handmade for sure. But I just have to show that stretch. That stretch is amazing. I absolutely love it. This is like a little floral with bigger flowers, so uber cute. And again, locked hair, loose hair, kinky, coily, curly, straight hair. You know, it doesn't matter your ethnicity. You can really enjoy these. These also are great for if you go working out and you want to pull your hair back out your face. And see, really, this is just quite the same for all of them. All of them are of that same stretchy material. You have the cute little knot here, or twist, or whatever you want to call it. You got the same stretchy material. Okay, you got the same little hem, how they sold it. I guess it's a hem. I don't know about all that. And just the flowers are a little bit smaller on here. So that's the difference between these two. Big flowers and small flowers. It's just whatever you like. And then I'm not going to even open up the other two. The other two are just, you know, pink and yellow with florals as well. I got a thing for florals in the summer. I think it's just so feminine. But that's pretty much it. I want to say, I believe I may have paid under 10 bucks for these particular headbands because I just absolutely love them. Trust me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're interested in purchasing your very, very own, what I'll do is have the information linked down in the description box below and you can check it out. Sorry, I don't have a coupon code. I bought these headbands with my very own money. So, yeah, you girl. Ain't nobody sponsoring me. So, yeah, you guys, that concludes today's video. If you like headbands, give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below because I absolutely love communicating with each and every one of you. And I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.